In this video, I'm taking you through how to make our compulsory homepage for our courses in Canvas. So I've just entered a Canvas course. I've selected home. I'm going to scroll down until I see pages. Because technically our home page and our content module page, they're actually pages built in Canvas. So I'm going to select add a page. It can be titled our home page. Some people call it the landing page. I like to call it the home page. Now, another thing that I've seen done, which makes some really good sense, is people are numbering these. You know, in some departments, they're actually putting the number. And what that does is numbered pages, it just kind of groups them so that your content modules page, so the page in which you develop next, which will be where you put all your modules on, they could be titled 2. The only thing that's confusing though, so I might actually title this one 0, and then I might title my term 1 stuff 1.content modules page, 2.content modules page for term 2 content, you know. So that might work better actually. And then that kind of groups them together in like a list format under the pages section. So if you wanted to modify them, it's a little bit easier to find, I guess. However, once we link everything, it'll just be the case of editing the page like you normally would, which I'll also show you once we build it. Okay, so here I'm on this, and I'm going to select my rocket ship. If you don't see the rocket ship, just save the page, refresh the page, edit, which is also what you would do when you want to actually change the page or change content on the page, and it should appear. Sometimes it might glitch out depending on your browser. Really, we're just going to create and edit content. You're going to copy existing content because we've already created this for you. Select a page, and that page is the home page. I always just highlight up to the bracket, and then I delete that bracket. So if I want to delete most of it, only because I find that it glitches out otherwise, you know. So I'm going to say 11 design. Okay. The general information, I haven't built that page, so that's in another video, and then we'll be coming back here. I'm going to remove this link, and you will need to course links and add that new link to another page once I've built it, because I only have the home page built right now. So go have a look at the general information video. I'll show you how to link them. Then you've also got these links, which we can also remove because they're not going to any page that exists at the moment. I have to build those pages as well. But this is my home page. It's done. The next thing I'll have to do is actually link these pages. Now, these are compulsory. Now, you might need to reduce them, in which case how you reduce them is you just highlight and click backspace. Yeah, so I just backspace, backspace, backspace until I've only got the 3 options. If I want to add another column, I select enter and it comes back. And let's just say once I've added it, you need to figure out how to actually get the hat and everything back. So let's just say we call this term 4 and we want the hat back. So we open up the design tools, we go into add advanced elements. You'll see under advanced elements the option for icons. Under icons there's already hat there. You've got to make sure you put your cursor where you want it to be. Now the hat, it's got a proper name, I'm not sure of it, but I just I just searched, education, and it comes up, and it inserts where your cursor is. So we can save that, and that is our home page. Now you'll see none of these links are live. So compulsory ones, general information, and all of them are own tabs. These 2, however, can change according to your preference. Now we have to make this our home page. So it must be published because nobody's going to see it otherwise. And once it's published, we then have to use it as our front page. This is kind of like a little tag. It makes it easier for us to find it later on. So use as front page. All right. From here, we now go to what is known as the home link. Okay. Currently, the home link is our modules link. It's the default, right? So, but we get all these options on the home link that we don't get on these other links, as you can see. Yeah, we have the option to actually publish our course, which must happen for the students to be able to see anything. And we have to choose our actual home page. And you'll see here, pages, front page is home page. I select that, save. The page will refresh, and now it's my home page. Okay, that's setting up your home page. In our next video, I take you through actually setting up your content page and linking these pages to it.